Here's how to add a game to the Nvidia app on your PC or laptop. Let's get into the method. We'll start with two quick ways to try and get the game to add automatically, so feel free to skip these if you've already tried them. First, open the game you want to add, and it should be detected automatically by the Nvidia app. Maybe try playing it for a few minutes and then check. The second quick method is within the Nvidia app itself, so search for this and open it. Then click on Graphics from the menu on the left. Within here, check you're within the Program Settings tab at the top, and then click on the three dots icon just under this. Select Refresh from the list and allow this to complete. See if this adds the game. You could also quickly check the game isn't hidden or in a different section by changing the filter options. If those methods didn't work, we can add the game manually. To do this, we need to locate the executable or application file for the game. This isn't the game's shortcut. If you know the location of this already, click on the three dots, then choose Add a Program, then find and double-click on the game's exe file. If you're not sure on the location of this for the game, we need to find it. For this example, I'll show you how to find the file for any Steam game. The easiest way to do this is to open Steam first, then open your game library and find the game you want to add. Right-click on the game in your library and expand the section called Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. This will open the files for this game, and this is where the application file should be. It's usually called the game's name. The next step is to copy the file path location for this folder. This is at the top bar and should have the backslashes in between each folder's name. If you don't see this, simply right-click on the file names at the top bar and select Copy Address. We now need to head back to the Nvidia app and back to the Graphics, then Program Settings page. Click on the three dots icon above the games list on the left, and then choose Add a Program. This will open File Explorer, and you now need to paste the file path into the address bar. Click in some space in the bar, then backspace out the full address, then right-click and paste in the new address and hit the Enter key on the keyboard. Now look through this folder for the game's application file. It should be called the name of the game and have the icon for it. It should say it's an application file type and be a .exe. Double-click on this and it should now be added to the list on the left. You might need admin privileges for this method, so if you see an error relating to permissions, try with the admin account on your PC or laptop. For some games, you could research online the default install location for it and find the executable file that way. If none of the methods in the video worked, I'd also recommend researching your exact game name to see if others have encountered this problem. Sometimes there might be specific solutions for some games. That's how to add a game to the Nvidia app on your PC or laptop. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.